Welcome to the LastPass setup tutorial. This tutorial will guide you through setting up your new LastPass account, installing the browser extension on Chrome, and the LastPass smartphone app. We'll also cover some of the features of your new account and how they will be helpful. You will receive an enrollment email to your maricopa.edu email address. Copy the activation code and then click on the Activate LastPass link. Your email should auto-populate into the email field, and then paste the activation code that you previously copied into the field. Then click Continue. You will then see a screen informing you that your LastPass account has been created. On the screen, you can also click the link to visit the Download Center to install the LastPass browser extension. You can also navigate to the Chrome store by selecting the sidebar menu, then Extensions, then click on Visit Chrome Web Store. You can then search for LastPass in the Chrome Web Store and simply click Add to Chrome to install it. You will receive a notification that LastPass has successfully been added to Chrome. You will then get a second notification. On this, click Add Extension and continue. Once the extension has been installed in Chrome, you should be able to click on the extensions icon next to the address bar, and you will see LastPass included in your extensions. Click on it and choose Login if you are not logged in already. You should be automatically signed in using your single sign-on account. Click on Vault to view your LastPass dashboard. Then click on Import Existing Passwords. Follow the instructions on screen to import any existing passwords you may have into LastPass. Once you have imported your existing passwords into LastPass, you should turn off password monitoring from other programs, as it may conflict with LastPass. The example shown on screen shows how to do this in Chrome. Also, you should delete passwords saved in other locations outside of LastPass. The example shown on screen shows how to delete passwords saved in the Chrome browser. You can manually add passwords and other information you wish to store securely. LastPass can automatically fill information for you in web pages and forms, such as credit card numbers, addresses, and bank account information. Once inside the LastPass vault, you can click on the Security Dashboard link and see if there are any passwords which need to be changed, which may have been used more than once or found on the dark web. Now that the LastPass browser extension is active, it will autofill your username and passwords on websites. If you do not have a username and password saved for a site, LastPass can suggest a secure password for you. Once the notification appears, click Add Password, and the username and password will be saved in your vault. The next time you visit the same site, your username and password will auto-populate. As part of our LastPass contract, you may create and link a personal account for free. You should keep your personal password separate in your personal account. Once the accounts are linked, you can use passwords from both accounts when you are logged into your Maricopa account. Please note that Maricopa employees, even those with LastPass administrator rights, cannot see any of the information stored in either of your accounts. You can also use LastPass on your Android or iPhone. Just download and install LastPass from the App Store. Once the LastPass app is installed, enter your maricopa.edu email address and follow the prompts on screen. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoy using your new LastPass account. If you have any further questions, please contact the Mesa Community College Help Center.